Hello. Yeah. Hi. Yes, I did this AOC solver Struct in previous videos, and I think I forget some things because this basically has not been completed yet. Yes, one of the things is that this guy need a parameter for test run, and that's good. So just say true and should be okay. Summary all, and yeah, what are the things that need to be done is that I think for this part let's just do the printing part of the of the of the of the result. Let's see the yeah, let's do cons because now we are not going to mutate it. Part one, part one, part two. I don't know if I can do this. No, we cannot. Or we can do this. No. And then we can just go like this input file name thing where we just result and then return this result. Then it's going to be the allocator. It's going to p1 is equal to this guy, and p2 is equal to one other guy, then say p1 p2. Yep. Okay, that's is better. So maybe if I build 2401, okay, where's the solver thing? Yes, let's just do a contest run equal to false equal to true, and then pass it here. Okay, that's nice. p10, p20. That's okay. Nice. What else? Let's check our error handling. So if this allowed for allocator, I just think that unreachable is fine. Let's just do 2, right? For this error thing. I have more. No. This is also allocator thing. I think it's fine. This read file can actually be not exist. Can be. Let's just try. Where's my test input file name for, let's say, 26. No, not this guy. This guy. So it should be panic because attempt to unwrap error Find not found. Add. Let's see smaller. Read input here 92. Okay. Because I just do unreachable in here. Yes. Yeah. If I do, for example, panic, and the message should be error reading file, I think it will be showing that error reading file. Yes. With the thread thing here, attempt to unwrap error. Okay. Let's just make this big. Error reading file. I think that's better. For this alloc thing, I think it's fine. Yes. Okay, so another thing I would like to do is we call this timer. Maybe, yeah, I just want to have yeah, some kind of indicator that how fast it's running or something. Let's Google physics timer. Time. Have like timer. Have lab read reset start. Start is nice. Time unsupported when such Struct is unavailable. Okay. We can actually ignore the timer error. Just bring it here. Now. So this is the source code. I think I get it. I need a cons timer, standard time, timer, start, and I need to catch. Let's just go unreachable. Unused local constant, of course, and then after this sorting, I want the timer to be lab. Return the scalar value of the timer in nanoseconds and reset it. It's nanoseconds. Is it okay? Expected time. Oh, okay. Okay, I need to fix the text again. Okay. That's the timer. So if I just do log f log, yes. I just do timer. Yep, I can do this. And timer. Okay. Timer 5650 nanoseconds. I'm going to divide this by standard time. No seconds per millisecond. Millisecond is enough. Yeah. What else? I can the Fibonacci thing should be nice. That's right. Function fit and return you to people. See you it return fit and minus 1 plus fit and minus 2 fit and with 1 return n. P1 fit 25 3 milliseconds. 50 23 milliseconds. Still pretty fast. 40. Okay. 2 seconds. 1 2 3. Yeah, kind of. So yeah, the Fibonacci things work. Timer works. Yeah. How to append to slice? Append string slice. I want a release actually. String concat. It's a log concat and return buffer to slice. 6 years ago. Think maybe the documentation has something. Concat. This is array concatenation. Length compile time. String concatenation is format buff print blah blah. What is standard format buff print? It's returning an array. What? A log print? Also an array. Okay, here I need to give the buffer. Concat is try to allow both of them mem copy. Okay. I think it's just fun to do this a lot again. Run info. I'm going to take this. I'm just going to place it here. I'm just going to take whatever string in that. How do I do this in Python? P1, P2, T. T is equal to blah blah millisecond. So this thing is with the result, and then this guy okay. Return run info. Okay, test is going to fail. What is this character? Yeah. I think I just want to expect Resland the same as this, which also fine. Yes, which are also fine. I don't care about this solve anything. Just a test. Yes. So we have the timer. Okay, let's check. In Python, I have this Struct input solve for test one. I do both of them. I do both of them. So actually, I need to do both of them here too. So actually, I don't have to do this here. Wait, how do I do in Py that I can just solve test? This guy. I call solve. I can do okay. Template. Because I do it here separately. Where's my AOC zig? Actually, I can combine both of this. Input file name and read input. It's not too big, actually. I don't care. Let's make it public as well because we just don't care. We don't really care about this. What did I say? I need to Okay, I need to do this one more time. The file name var. Okay, instance false, and the timer don't have to be started again. Can be a variable instead. Also this guy. So where's this guy? Why is it only printing it once? Uh-huh. Okay, I can get it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay, I need something like result test and real price. Prefix with this. Rest test. Time test. Rest here. Time here. Something like this. And then just go const time here and time test. I'm going to reset the timer here. Where's the timer thing again? Reset to 0 now. Timer start, soft, blah blah blah, timer reset, stop, blah blah blah. I think it should be fine. Nice. And I just need to put this test and real. If I do this, expression found invalid token. Music multi-line string. Multi-line string. There's no multi-line comments. Multi-line string with rules is like such. Let's try. Is it working? I'm going to shorten the Fibonacci thing. Yes, it works. But the comma is here. The comma cannot be there. Okay, this is nice. This is something. I don't do this. Yeah, I don't want it truncated here, so I can just put result here. Okay, this is better. Not really, I don't care. Okay, this is nice. Multi-line string. Okay. So yes, actually, let me do 35. 104, 195, 195. Yeah, it's almost the same time, so it's fine. I think this timer is working correctly. If I don't reset it, it's going to be longer for part 2. Not really. Oh, this input thing doesn't really have much overhead. I think it's nice to reset it here. Yes, I think that's enough. So we do the true and false thing, and then yeah. Okay, what else? True and false thing. Okay. I need this function to accept a boolean of test run. Test run. Let's put comma there. Yeah. So where's my solve? This guy is true, this guy is false. What, where else? Solver run. I don't care about this. And okay, yes, this is fine. Actually, this is okay too. I think it's not bad to just test solve function or find function. It's just to use and solve. I can just locate here the data and true, because I don't care. And here I can expect that expect equal strings. This is the result and solving. Yes, that's nice. What else? Yeah. The test is good. Mean is good. Let's delete this. And I think we are done for today. Let's check the. Okay, I print the result and I do test run function here. Arguments parameter, I don't know, true and true here. And yes, I make this public, I make this thing. I think I want to also war s1 equal to true, and then I put here, and then here I'm just going to say this one is false, press done. All done. Nice. Okay. I think I can standard format start standard mem start with is that needle thing. The type is that and needle. Okay, this is nice to check to test. Standard mem starts with U8. The haystack will be rest, and the middle will be results. Yes, it worked. I can do contains. Okay, I can do concat. Let's concat. I have allocator, I have slices, which has an array of this is actually nice. But then where's my run function? I can just allot one thing to mine as well. Yeah, I don't care. I think this is fine too. It's repeating, but I don't really care. Instead of I have like two separate function for false and true, because I think only this test run is yeah, but that's how I did in the thing. Just do twice the same code, which I can actually do one of them, but it's fine as well. Yes. Okay. Try standard testing, expect printers for the then returns error. Spec string starts with. Okay, this is nice. Let's result. This is the same. Okay. Okay, now what is this read input thing? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Catch is fine. Yeah, that's it for today. That's it. Test run, blah blah blah. One part, second part, last part. Panic error. Okay, so next I will do a template for this guy. And let's see. Let's see if I can do yeah, actually I can call log here, right? Let's log here. Yeah. Yeah, it's just like in I'm just going to do a template and maybe like utility thing where I can just call HTTP client and get the URL. I mean the input from the server, from the website, and yeah, the run is not really important, but the template is important. Also this boilerplate so that I can just start solving puzzle. Okay. Um, yes. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.